Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So I have a few more pages, that is Madhurima's Kitchen in Facebook, Madhurima's Kitchen in Instagram and Madhurima's Kitchen in Google. So you can get lots of information over there. It's done. Let's come to the point and I will start with the recipe. So what is the recipe today? You know, I always do the diet, not always. In winter I don't do diet. And in during Durga Puja as well. So for diet, I always say diet is not boring, so I'm going to share diet recipe, that is later. But today what I did, this is kind of cheat day. It's monsoon and we are Bengalis, so we like pakoras, bhaja bhuji, piyaji, and so many things. And obviously bhaja bhuji fried thing is our birthright, you can say. So today what I did, I have Shaapla from market. I used the Shaapla Shukto or something like that. So what I did, the Shaapla Phool, I did not know that we can eat Shaapla Phool as well, but I got to know yes we can. So what I prepared today, that is Shaapla Phool Er Bora. What is the new thing in that? I'm sharing the recipe, but one trick I'm going to tell you. My ma, she cannot have anything prepared with besan or bashon because she has acidity problem. So this recipe I'm going to prepare with besan, but for my mother I used only maida or moida, and everything was same. So this is going to be a fried Shaapla Phool Er Bora, and I won't say it's really spicy or something like that, but good thing is that this is no onion, no garlic. And I'm going to share another recipe about the Shaapla Phool that will be with onion, ginger, garlic, everything. So there will be two types of recipe coming. So today it's for my vegetarian friends and viewers. There is no onion, no garlic, nothing. So enjoy the Shaapla Phool Er Bora. We will use the Shaapla Phool or water lily flower, what we call in English. Let's start with the recipe. So what I have, Shaapla Phool or water lily, as I said. So I have this kind of flour, and this is garam masala powder, and this is turmeric and salt. This is kalo jeera or kalonji, and I am using Kashmiri red chili mirch. You can use normal red chili powder as well. This is chaler guro or rice flour, and this is besan. So I will show you how to prepare this flour. Okay, we are not going to use this green portion. We have to remove this, and first I will remove this because we cannot eat that. It will be bitter in taste. And similarly, you can see this yellow portion inside. I have to remove that as well because this is also bitter. We cannot eat that. It's not healthy and even it's bitter. So we have to remove this two portion very carefully. So I have to remove this properly. So after removing that, it will look like this. So I will remove all of them and then I will make a batter, and I'll show you entire process. And one more thing, we have to remove this thing as well. So just remove this. You don't need any scissor or knife to remove this kind of thing. The skin, you can say, the stem will be there, but the skin should be removed like this. So entire thing will look like this. And now it's time to prepare the batter. So I have 4 tablespoons of chaler atta or rice flour, and the similar quantity of besan, 4 tablespoons. And now I will add the salt and turmeric powder, haldi or turmeric powder. So salt is there, turmeric powder is there. I'm using the Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use the green chili as well, green chili paste or green chili chopped. So if you want the spicy enough. And this is garam masala powder, and some kalonji or kalo jeera. Mix it properly, and now I will make a batter so that I will dip the flour in this, and then I'll fry the batter will be muddy, not runny. So have to be very careful about that. Slowly I will add the water so that it won't be runny. Let me show the consistency. So this will be the consistency of the batter, not very thick, not runny. And I will dip the flour in this batter, and then I will deep fry in mustard oil. So let me heat the mustard oil. Okay, I just checked the oil is hot already. So now what I have to do, so this is the batter and I have to dip it properly all the side. It will look like this. Cover up from all the side, outside and inside. So remove the excess batter and then slowly I have to put it over here. Similarly I will do for all of them. Cover it up inside out. So you have to use your finger always, like this, and add it. So I have to fry all the side in a medium-low flame, and I'll get back to you once it's done. One thing you have to remember, as this water lily, it has water content in the stem, so that's why you have to be very careful when you are just. Now I have to fry the other side, so I'm very careful about this, otherwise it can splatter. So it will be a very crispy one and almost look like a tulip or rose or tulip. So I'm just frying rest of them, and then I'll get back to you and I will show you. So just try this recipe. The recipe is really good, and in this rainy season you can get lots of Shaapla or water lily. So instead of throwing away the flour, you can try this recipe. This is the veg one, like I'm not using any onion or any garlic, ginger, nothing. But I will show you another recipe with the Shaapla, and that is a pakoda. So that will be that I will use onion, garlic, everything. So just stay tuned, enjoy this recipe, and you can serve it with plain rice as a snack, and even you can use it as a evening snack as well. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So you can find this recipe over here, and stay tuned for the next recipe of this Shaapla. Definitely if you want to order the food, you can go through Google Madhurima's Kitchen or Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen. You can check in Zomato, and must check this Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen. And one more thing you can check right now, that is MaddyBee, Google, Facebook and Instagram. So thank you so much. I'll just get back to you with the final presentation.